The pilot's log.
Incredible. The ink is still legible after all this time.
Your hands.
All right, take the tension. Easy now. Watch the starboard side. Keep it coming slow.
Steady now. Bring her in another 50 feet and prepare to stop.
All right, lads, steady on the starboard side. Lift her up slow. Measure the full length of that tear, including the buckled section.
It's coming up just shy of 18 inches, sir.
Pitting is severe here by the spar.
And the crack detection gauge is showing a clear indication right at the rivet line.
Look at the fatigue on this rivet line. We should prioritize this section.
Okay, confirming the adjustment now. The structural integrity is stable.
This scratch at frame 42 needs a patch. It's deeper than the tolerance level.
Got it. Frame 42, deep scratch requiring patch repair.
Did you verify the structural integrity of section 4?
Yes, the eddy current results are clear.
All right, bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment. Steady on the starboard crane. Hold it there.
All right, slow left. Hold it right there.
First bolt going in now.
We are fully aligned. Start torquing.
starboard side, easy now. Steady, steady, watch the clearance.
The tolerance on this leading edge is critical. We need to hold 0.001.
I've adjusted the feed rate. The surface finish looks good.
Dimensions are spot on.
According to the schematics, this spar should align right here.
It's currently off by 3 millimeters, and we need to adjust the cradle.
Ensure the pressure line connects here before the return valve.
Okay, I've checked the schematic. The torque is set.
Bring it down 20 slowly.
20 slowly confirmed.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
All right, slowly does it. Make sure the splines are aligned perfectly before we engage the lock. That's it. Now we torque the bolts.
How are the hydraulics looking over there?
Green across the board. Ready for taxi.
Make sure the canopy is fully masked and we can't have any overspray.
Yes, Foreman. We're almost finished up here.
Coming out now. Copy that, watching the strut, keep it slow.